In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rebuild your search index on Microsoft Outlook. Whether you've noticed that your search results aren't quite right or they're taking longer than usual to show up, rebuilding your search index can often resolve these issues. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process. First, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once it's running and you're on the main screen, look towards the top left corner. Here you'll see an option labeled File. By clicking on this, you'll open the File menu, which acts as a gateway to a range of tools and options designed to enhance your Outlook experience. Next, from the list of options available in the File menu, go ahead and select Options. This action will open the Outlook Options window. This window is like the command center of Outlook, where you can fine-tune various settings to see what works best for you. Within this menu, locate and click on Search from the panel on the left-hand side. This is where you can manage everything related to the search functionality in Outlook. Now, in the main part of the search settings, you should see an option called Indexing Options. Click on it. The Indexing Options window provides a snapshot of what's currently being indexed on your computer, which includes all your Outlook items. In the Indexing Options dialog box, find the Advanced button. Clicking on this will open another window featuring several tabs. Here you need to focus your attention on the area labeled Troubleshooting. This section is particularly helpful if Outlook Search isn't performing as it should. Under Troubleshooting, you'll notice a button that says Rebuild. When you click the Rebuild button, a prompt will appear asking for your confirmation. This step is crucial because rebuilding the index deletes the existing index stored on your computer, which includes all the data it has recorded so far. But don't worry, though it sounds drastic, it simply means Outlook will start putting together a fresh index from scratch. Once you've reviewed the confirmation message, click OK to proceed, and there you have it. Outlook will begin the process of rebuilding the search index. It's important to note that this might take some time depending on the amount of data stored in Outlook. During this rebuilding phase, your search functionality may not work as expected, so don't be surprised if some results seem incomplete. Give it a bit of time, and once the new index is complete, you should notice a marked improvement in search performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy emailing on Outlook.